Navigate to the website bghouse.bg-connect.com. Select BG-Fastlane. Pick your operating system, Mac or PC. Save the file to your hard drive. Unzip the file. Double-click the app. Download and installation of your connector is about to begin. The connector will automatically launch when the process is complete. Click OK. You'll notice up here that we're at 73, 80%, 90%, and soon to be 100. As it finishes, the app will launch. It's going to ask you if you want a plug-in for InDesign or Illustrator. At this point, we're going to say no. We'll install the plug-in later. The app is installed and active. Drag and drop a PDF to the app. Enter your information. Select your page size. The stock it prints on, white, foil, or clear, and the finish gloss or matte. Enter your stock code. And submit. Within seconds, you'll get a pre-flight report. We're all good. Have the big check mark. If you want to see the pre-flight report, just click Open Pre-Flight Report. And you can see the report. Once you're happy, click Send. This completes how to download, install, and use the app. Your files are uploaded. Emails go out to you, your CSR, and your sales rep. And your files jump to the front of the line using BG-Fastlane connector apps.